Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I have found the perfect set of earphones. These are AirHooks Pros by MEE Audio. I love them for so many reasons, but the main one is they are air hooks. So they slide over your ear and nothing actually goes in your ear, because I always found that so incredibly uncomfortable. It made my ear itch and I couldn't stand it. But these are so comfortable, I actually forget that I'm wearing them. They also are not air canceling headphones, which for me is really nice. I love it because I have kids and I need to hear noises around me. So these, I get the great sound of the earphones, but I can still hear noises around me. If I'm outside working, I can hear. If my kids yell for me, I can hear. They're great for around the house when I'm cleaning, and the sound is phenomenal. That sound was just from my lapel microphone. I put it between these two air hooks, and as you can see, it was really, really good. I feel like I'm being completely surrounded by speakers. I hear all the sounds, and it's fully encompassing. They're super easy to slip on. They go over your ears. They fit on nicely. I can even jump and they don't budge. If you're looking for your next pair of headphones, I really recommend these. I never want to wear anything else. And that's my point of view.